Okay, get ready to tumble some buckshot. And the first thing I got to do is put my blades on. I've got them numbered 1 through 3. Got to wear your mask for this, a lot of dust. Here's number 1. Little bolt up to it like that. A pre-drilled hole. Snug these out. And on to the next one. There's number 2. These are a piece of the shelf brackets that I cut off and sharpened. We've got those 3 blades arranged in there. So they'll come around and they'll break up the buckshot as they turn. This is about 32 pounds right here of some lead. The strings of 3 buckshot. It takes forever to sit and snip that up out of the strings of 3. So I'll take up to 100 pounds and throw it in this thing. I'll take this 32 pounds of the strings of 3 buckshot and throw it in. Now I've got to cover this up so it doesn't fall out while it's breaking up. So, this is a hard foam rubber. Not that thick. I cut it to barely cover over the hole. And we've got a ratchet strap. Get your ratchet strap in place. Just take it down tight. Make sure you got a good seal all the way around. Like I said, I'm sure there's a much better way to do that, but this works so good for me, I haven't changed ways yet. Now put it down flat. I started a 2-hour timer. I'm going to turn the power on, and I will see you all in a bit. Okay, I'm back after 2 hours of tumbling with the blades in. I'm going to take the cap off and see how we did. Well, now, broke it all up. Okay, now we've got to reverse the process and take the blades back out. That's all broke up. That was strings of 3 2 hours ago. It's still kind of rough. I mean, you could shoot that. That'd be fine. You can go out and shoot that right now, no problem. But we want to make it a little better. So, I got some 5/8 steel balls. About, a couple hundred of them. And I tumble this for 1 solid hour instead of 12 hours. And it looks great. Okay, it is 1 hour later, and we've stopped, and let's see how our product looks.